Hi there, my name is Koula and I am a training and development specialist. I have 3 kids. I have Louis who is 18, I have Michael who is 16, and I have Charlie who is 12. Anyone who has a teenager knows how hard it can be. And sometimes you come across situations where you just are so upset and stressed. I came across one of those and I looked out to find a good parenting course because I just didn't know what to do. I came across the Parenting Blueprint by Commander Bimal Raj and looked into it. There was an introduction day. I went to it. I loved it. I was so engaged, and I'm all about courses and I can highly recommend this one. It is so engaging. You learn so much. You learn how to react to difficult situations. You learn how to correct behaviors. You learn about a family code of honor, which is fantastic, and everyone should do one. So this is just a fraction of what you learn on this course. It helped me so much, and it helped me change my behaviors and how I react to my children, which is all part and parcel of parenting. Kids will always push their boundaries. That's the normal. And it's how we respond to them that makes the difference. So go find out, check it out. You're going to love it. You've got nothing to lose and so much to gain. Bye-bye.